Now that's the real one right there.
Está grande.
Sí, de ahí le van a hacer a la calle.
Ey, deja eso.
I don't think so. Put him in a little. There you go.
I got another one too, fella.
You nothing.
Yeah, you was talking all that shit. What happened? That's little magic fingers over there.
Lo tenía encerrado ahí, eso lo tenía amarrado.
Please don't. Please don't. I don't need no more laughs.
Lo que pasa es que el pesca con el pesca con el brillo.
Oh. You done got two on the kayak.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe catch up with me. Nah,
Hey, I told you. Hey, this is the spot I'm trying to get you come to.
Dex, I got 20 fish in my cooler, baby.
But they baby.
That's a baby lie.
Yeah, they baby.
Get out my kayak. Baby that.
Give me 30 minutes, I got you.
You good? Fish on. Fish on. I'm about to go fry some fish on the bank, man. Watching you fish making me hungry.
Hey, yeah, when you see how to do it right, you know, turns up appetite.
You smell it.
Did you take the lighter?
I might have. Give me a second, I got you.
I got one in here.
Okay, never mind.